What's up, guys? Just want to give you a quick daily recap and my trade recap for today. I ended up taking 2 trades, and on those 2 trades, I ended up losing about $340 per account. Let's get right into it. So, as you can see off open, I wanted to see coming into the day, I wanted London lows to be hit. Look at these equal lows, so smooth. And I even called this out in my Discord live before market open that I want to see London lows get hit and potentially Asia, because we had these smooth lows as well. So here, just so you can see that. After I see that at open, we take out London. And then I'm like, okay, I want to see us continue lower and take out Asia. So we come down. I did not end up taking this trade right here, which would have been good, but I would have got break even or taken a small win because we ended up coming back up. But instead, I entered when we tested this fair value gap right in here, right there. And I clearly had my stop way too tight. I barely got wicked out. Right after we get this move down, which is where I entered, entered on this move down right here after we reject. And I put my stop right above this candle high right here. And I get wicked out by just a couple points. Like 1.5 points, and then it runs right down to Asia lows. Now, what could I have done better? Without a doubt, stop here. Without a doubt, should have done that. Bad trade management by me. Nothing I could do about it now. Just got to learn from my mistakes. Wow, we are really just dumping. Now, second trade of the day, I ended up taking right here. Right, we took out Asia. We left 780 sell side. Now this 780 sell side was this hourly low, and then I had more sell side at 750, and then now we have this hourly low right here. I don't have this marked out, but we just took it out as well. So we are absolutely dumping right now, as you can see. I just want to see something quick. Yeah, we tapped into equilibrium, started falling lower. That just shows you guys exactly how the markets move, rebalance to equilibrium, continue in the direction. Look at that. So I see us come back. We test midnight opening price, and we test previous day close. I see we put in an SMT with the ES, and I take a short off this inversion, right? Then we come back. We edge my stop loss by 1 point. Then we end up all this time. I'm basically in this trade for an hour, which was absurd. And we finally hit TP. And I just closed it and got out, even though I wanted to just be out. Now, what I wanted originally was to get this low taken out and then try and hold runners down to 750. That was my target. I didn't think we were going to go for 708 today. It's a big, strong move. But yeah, I'm not going to lie, I wasn't expecting that. I wanted 750, though. That was my target for the day, which we did end up hitting. But what I could have done is, after we hit first TP right here, whether it was low a day or this, 780 level, stops to break even right here. Let the runners play out, because they would be running for another 80 plus points. But what are you going to do? You live and you learn. That's it. Those are the 2 trades I took today. I'm not going to lie. I managed my trades terribly today, to be honest. I executed very poorly. Very disappointed. I took this second trade with smaller size because I already took a loss, so I did not want to keep trading. We are absolutely flushing. We're probably going to test this daily. Yes, this daily fair value gap, I believe, is the target. And then we could potentially look for longs out of this daily fair value gap, on a higher time frame type deal. So yeah, that's basically it. I do want to see how we react once we get to that daily fair value gap for the rest of the week. We were also approaching equilibrium of this dealing range as well, so we could also see a bounce there as well. But I hope you guys all had a green trading day. Conditions weren't the best. They were pretty choppy. Took a lot of patience today, but the draws were pretty clear. So as long as you held and were patient, you would have been all right. Hope you all have a good day. Peace out.